It doesn't take long for your car to get dirty, especially if you have kids or pets, which is why it's a good idea to have your own car cleaning kit on hand. After all, you're already spending quite a bit on your vehicle between insurance, gas, and maintenance. So why not save a few bucks and avoid paying someone else to clean your car? To get the job done right, you'll need some essentials like car wash soap, wash mitts, sponges, wax, microfiber towels, tools, and lots of other accessories. Buying each piece individually can get expensive in a hurry, which is why there are car cleaning kits available. Companies bundle up everything you need into one nice, cost-saving package. There are many products available to Best Car Cleaning Kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Cleaning Gel for Car Cleaning Kit Universal Detailing Automotive Dust Car Crevice Cleaner. Perfect car cleaning tool. Cleaning gel is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Easy to use. Push car cleaning gel into any little cracks. Press car vent cleaner on and the dust would be carried away. You can also press the keyboard cleaner slightly on the keyboard surface and then pull out slowly. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. Eco-friendly. This keyboard cleaner is made of cleaning gel, smells sweet with lightly fragrance. The car cleaning kit can easily pick up dust. Number 2. 5 Joy Car Cleaning Gels 4-pack Universal Auto Detailing Tools Car Interior Cleaner Putty. Universal Cleaning Gels. Car cleaning gels are perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Simple and convenient cleaning kits for electronic products and car interiors and office products such as PC, laptop, keyboards, printers, game consoles, cell phones, calculators, TV remote, speaker grill, fan grill, Xbox divided by PS4 divided by Wii controller, air condition vent, car air vent, automobile dashboard, window sill, and more. Easy to use. 5 Joy is a convenient life helper. Cleaning mud can be used at any time, anywhere. Take a piece of the car detailing kit, knead it into a ball, then lay the gel on the dirt surface. Press it down 2-3 times and roll slightly, then pull it up slowly. The dirt will be taken away with the cleaning slime. It can help you save more time. Number 3. Cleaning Gel for Car Detailing to get up the dust and smaller particles. Universal Cleaning Putty. Car Cleaning Gel. Dust Cleaning Gel for car detailing, car vents, car interiors. Dust removing gel. Try to clean out the little nooks and crannies that you just can't reach. It works well on small areas in the dashboard. Cleaning Putty for electronics. Magic Cleaning Gel for tablet, laptop, keyboards, and electronic product surface cleaning such as camera, printer, calculator, speaker. Home Office Electronics Cleaner Gel. Easy to use and reusable. This cleaning gel made from environmentally safe biodegradable gel material. The canned cleaning gel is easy to carry and could be used anywhere. Take out the gel cleaner, press slightly on the dirty surface, and then pull up slowly. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. This cleaning gel can be used for several times. Just put the sticky gel cleaner back in jar and keep in a cool place. Number 4. Car Cleaning Gel 3-pack Clean Slime Universal Auto Dust Keyboard Cleaner. This product includes 3 bottles of car cleaning gel, 3 small brushes, and 3 cleaning cloths. It is a very practical cleaning kit for cleaning dirt, dust, and small debris in the gaps of cars, household appliances, or furniture, such as air conditioner outlet where are difficult to reach by hand, and our cleaner gel do not leave any gel residues, stripes, or traces. It is a very practical household cleaning kit product. This keyboard cleaning gel could be used repeatedly till the color turned to dark. Then you have to replace the gel with a new one. When cleaning finished, just put the keyboard cleaning gel back in box and keep in cool place. Number 5. IBO Car Cleaning Gel for Automotive Dust Removal Detailing Putty Slime Cleaner. Cleaning gel for car is made of biodegradable gel material with lavender fragrance. Cleaning glue for car is safe to your skin and friendly to the environment. Take a piece of the cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, press our professional cleaning gel mud slowly into the keyboard, car vent, and other rugged surface, and then pull out. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. Slime gel is easy to carry and could be used any dirty wear. The cleaning gel can be used repeatedly. When cleaning finished, just put the cleaning gel back and keep the car putty cleaner in cool place. Please don't wash the gel with water. Car putty cleaner is also useful for home and office electronics cleaning, such as PC keyboards, car vents, camera, printer, telephone, calculator, speaker, air conditioner, TV, and other appliances to pick up the dirt.